See page number 11. I am reading public facilities, this paragraph. Just listen carefully and try to understand. How is it that the average person in Haryana has more income than the average person in Kerala, but lags behind in these crucial areas? Lags means here behind, gap. How is it that the average person in Haryana has more income? Means the people who are living in Haryana, their income more, their income is more than as compared the people who are living in Kerala, but lags. But Haryana, which is behind or backward, we can say, behind in these crucial areas, some areas. So the reason is, so the people they are earning, means the people who are living in Haryana, they are earning more money, but they are back in another criterias. So we can understand here the reason is, what is the reason? Now just listen this line. This is very important line. Money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you may need to live well. Money is not important. Okay, money is important for survival, but it is not enough. Money cannot buy all the goods and services, whatever you want, whatever you need. So income by itself is not a completely adequate indicator of material goods and services that citizens are able to use. So income is not a completely adequate, not a enough criteria for the comparison countries which is a develop and not develop. Income is not enough. So other criteria also we have to follow. For example, normally your money cannot buy you a pollution free environment. Can you buy pollution free environment? No. Or ensure that you get unadulterated, means pure, not mixed medicines. Can you purchase pure medicine by giving the money? Can you create? No. Unless you can afford to shift to a community that already has all these things. So to satisfy other needs, you have to shift, you have to change yourself also and to others also in a proper places where all these things are available easily. Money may also not be able to protect you from infectious disease. You have a lot of money. Can you protect yourself from such a infectious disease? No. Unless the whole of your community takes preventive steps. So that you have to take commonly you have to take preventions to stop such a disease. Now see this paragraph, this one. Actually, for many of the important things in life, the best way, also the cheapest way, is to provide these goods and services collectively. So you have to provide these necessary goods collectively, it is important, because these things, these materials and goods can satisfy basic needs, our basic needs. Just think, will it be cheaper to have collective security for the whole locality, or for each house to have its own security man? Now here one example is given. Please try to understand. Just think, you have to think yourself. Will it be cheaper to have collectively security, means providing security, protection collectively by all? This is good way, or for a whole locality, or for each house to have its own security man? It means each house its own security man. This way is proper. Which one? And which one is a cheap way? So obviously first one. What if no one, another example, other than you in your village or locality is interested in studying? No one is interested in studying. Only you are interested. So what will happen? There will be no school, because only you are there. Would you be able to study? Can you complete your study? No. Not unless your parents could afford to send you to some private school elsewhere. So you are actually able to study because many other children, if there is no school, and we can say the only you are interested, others are not interested. So what will happen? So you have to go in a private school if your parents sent. Otherwise, if your parents not able to send to another school, so you cannot complete your study and education. So you are actually able to study because many other children also want to study, and because many people believe that the government should open schools and provide other facilities so that all children have a chance to study. So collectively, education, this is an important characteristics criteria which is provided by the government, by the organizations collectively, so everyone can easily, they can get education. Otherwise what will happen, you can understand easily. Even now in many areas, children, particularly girls, are not able to achieve secondary level schooling because government or society has not provided adequate facilities. The government as well as the society has not provided adequate facilities, means collectively facilities, such facilities are not provided to for the girl. So in so many areas, especially in village area, girls cannot complete their education because there are no schools for the girls. So students, some facilities should be provided by the government for the people, for the society. Now remaining part we will read in next clip.